Who's talking? Yeah? Really? Ah! 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 Guess I have a screamer. Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah? Where are you going? Hi. Look who else. These people are out. This is what happens when Papa Tom comes to visit. They miss their naps. And let's check the time. 6 o'clock. Yep. I wonder if they're down for the night. And this guy is still going. Yeah, you had a 3-hour early nap, didn't you? And let's see what else Papa Tom came to show us. Yes, look at what Papa Tom caught. Let's get a nice zoom in on that bad boy. Oh, you won't. Yep, do you see that right there? That is a black widow spider. That right there, I caught that guy. He's just a regular old spider. And that is not. Yep, Papa Tom caught that. And it gives me the heebie-jeebies to have that in my house.